said we gotta turn. So we're both on the left side. Oh, can this thing be any heavier?
It's actually easier than I thought because the water's calm.
Yeah. But you have to paddle on the other side, opposite from her.
No, not right now. We're turning.
Oh, that's right. What do I know? Oh, you're turning to the left. You
That's what I'm
see?
saying. See if you both paddle the right way.
Yeah, that's right. You're right, Kayla.
Okay, now we gotta go.
Daddy still gotta go to the left. Check out those things.
You don't want to get that close, though.
Look at that thing.
We gotta be quiet. We gotta be quiet. They said maybe we can get some alligators.
So my butt is hurting.
You see alligators somewhere?
Are you wanting to see alligators now?
Yeah.
I'm not. There's one right there.
That's not
See
an
its head sticking up?
alligator. That's a wood.
But it could be. Oh, look at the water now.
Hello, pay attention, baby.
Hi, baby.
I'm glad you're not doing nothing. Glad we're doing it all.
Alright, let's get the power.
Slowly. Now you're getting me wet.
Oh.
Now you're getting me wet.
You shouldn't be in a boat.
Are you tired? You want me to go over there and paddle?
But I also want to be.
Such a pretty weather. Not hot. Let's just hope that it doesn't rain.
You know when I'm at school, I think about
If
stuff
it
like
rains, we're gonna be screwed. Is that a gator's head right there? No.
What?
there's a log underwater. That's so cool.
That's scary.
Right?
You're a big fish. Over there to the left. It's kind of scary, though.
No, it's not.
It is.
Yes, what is it supposed to open up?
Don't you be doing that.
How the hell do you
Because
get back in?
I'm the one who's
Check
supposed.
the fishes.
Hey, if it
I'm
flips,
the one who's supposed to be scared because I'm
if
the
it
one who
flips,
doesn't
how
know
do
how
we get back
to
in?
swim.
that's a good question.
What?
If it flips,
Oh, look
how
at those water lilies that
how
have
do we get back
yellow
in?
flowers, Kayla.
You struggle. Oh my god, I thought it was an alligator. I was like, oh my god.
That's huge. Oh, look at all the water. There's like crystal clear.
I'm not liking this.
Why, baby?
Just nervous because I gotta worry about everybody. Hopefully alligator comes after us. Oh!
Wait.
Oh, look right there. See its head? It just bobbed down. Right there in the
Oh,
lilies.
there's an alligator right there.
You see it?
An alligator that we spot, but it's really hard
God, this is scary.
to see them. Just be quiet, you guys, because either we get eaten or we're gonna eat them.
Yeah, the only way to kill the alligator is to shoot it in the back of its head.
You didn't have your gun.
Don't
Look,
have
there's
one.
another one.
Oh my god, there's two.
There's another piece of water here.
There's another one, Hazel. another one right there. Another one right there.
That's not alligators.
The one over there is. Oh, look at the pelican.
Oh, there's a pelican.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
Okay.
I don't like. That's one thing I'm scared of is water.
You know what I'm scared of?
Alligators.
Crocodiles, and animals.
So why are we doing this then? We need to go back. It's getting deeper.
No,
That's fine.
Daddy, you're making me scared.
I'm scared.
Don't quit. Don't quit. Okay, this is just fun. We just saw alligators.
Let's just do this and be done with it.
Oh my God.
Dad,
Stop leaning.
stop.
You're leaning.
I'm not leaning.
That's so scary. Look at the turtles. 2 turtles right there. Big ass turtles. Right there. See them in the trees? Right in the calla lilies. You see them? Big old turtles.
Oh, I can't zoom very much in this camera.
Oh my God, it's getting deeper.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Don't go back.
God, keep paddling your head, please. Keep paddling.
I'm scared.
And is someone leaning to the side?
No?
He is not. Ah! Dad! You're making it!
We're okay. Calm your boots. Just the right one, not the left one. The left one's your party boots. Let's go crazy. It's raining. I think.
I really don't like this. It'll be okay.
You know what? Just return. Let's just return back. Let's go. I don't want to hear it no more. Return this thing back. Let's just go to the beach and get fresh eating bacteria. Turn it around. Let's go.